good. The kittens are there. I almost went inside because mosquitoes are eating me like there's no tomorrow. Come on. See the eye? Oh, look at, he's so sweet. Oh. Don't be mean. I'm getting bugs on me and I don't like it. I do not like it. He needs surgery and that's what I'm trying to do. There's a program that will actually do it and then fix them, give them their shots and stuff like that. But I have to foster due to everywhere being full, and I agreed to do that because this kitten needs help. I ended up taking in the sibling, another sibling, and that one was so skinny. I tried my best and the baby did pass away and it completely just shattered me. And I almost quit because I couldn't handle it. And yeah, anyways. So now I'm trying. Look at this, how little he is. You see? He's just very, very little. Come here, baby. Come on. Come here. I know you want it. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here, boy. You see the other cat's near him? I wonder if he got in a fight. I'm not liking that right there on his neck. Fuck, man. I wish he would just let me touch him. Come in. Oh my god, mosquito almost got my eye. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut this fucking shit short, dude. Oh my god. Anyways, I'll update if I get anything. Oh god. I just seen that little shit in my eye. Fuck, man. So close, but yet so far. Welcome to part... Fuck, I don't know. It's been like almost 2 weeks now. Well, really a week with this one. Hi, come here. Oh god, when kittens meow, cry, oh, I get too emotional. Okay, I'm gonna go because I need. Oh. Hi, you're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You little monsters. You two, knock it off. They're twins. That's the boy, that's the girl. He likes to fuck with her all the time. Yeah, they've been here since they were babies. Not that one. I never seen that one when he was a baby. But that one, and even this black one. Oh god, mosquitoes! They're hitting me. Oh shit, I scared the baby. Oh man. Fuck, dude, it's always something, man. Always something. Oh god. Fuck, man. Hi. God, I even have him on my phone. Oh lord. Okay. Alright, you guys. Oh my god, these cats. You guys! Kitty, 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 kitty! Oh, that's Batman. He's chasing his brother. Or no, yeah, his brother. Because that's a girl. I always recognize her because she looks funny. She has these deep, deep brown eyes. Little mouse. See that? It's so pretty. Anyways. Oh, oh, oh. They're running all over the neighbor's yard. Anyways. Hi, baby. Anyways. I'm kind of hungry. I'm gonna have to starve this baby out. I hate having to do that, but the kitten needs fucking surgery, like hella bad. Look at how little he is. Look. Anyways, there's another sibling that I actually caught who, you know, did this to me. Not last night, but the night before. Anyways, wait, yeah.